Modern man is a prostitute to lust. Now, if you've seen our society nowadays and how men will do anything just to release, right? To bust a nut, basically, right? And you start to see how quickly someone can destroy their life with just one decision. Now it's crazy because there's so many men that's all they chase, and at the end of the day, when you get and you look back at your life and your situation, you realize that you're literally chasing nothing, right? You're literally chasing a fleeting desire, right? And I've gone over 500 plus days on no-fap, cured my corn-induced ED, so I'm someone who's pretty knowledgeable on the topic. And it's crazy because I had a conversation with someone at a gym, with one of my friends at a gym, and we were talking about it. And within our culture, it's pretty common for a lot of men to have multiple families, right? And just spreading their seed. But the more that I thought about it and I realized that it's dumb, and you're no different, right, than the woman that's selling her body, because she's selling her body to make the money, right? And she's willing to do anything, right? Forgo any morals, right? Do anything just to make the money, to provide for her family. And a lot of times men are no different, right? You have men that destroy their entire lives and their future because they made one bad decision, right? To go, mess with a girl. Then they end up having, a kid, and you're in a situation where maybe you're not financially ready, to put that money up. And it's crazy how all it takes is one lustful desire, right? Just one thing that you see through your eyes can literally destroy the rest of your life, right? And we see all the athletes too, the professional athletes, that you start to look at some of these guys, you see how many have baby mamas, right, are paying millions of dollars, right, to different women because they've had kids all over the place. And don't get me wrong, right, is a man, if you can financially afford that, that's one thing, right? But a lot of dudes are out here having all these different families and kids, and they can't even take care of them, right? And not to mention that can really destroy families, because when you have kids with different families, different mothers, and all this type of stuff, you really destroy what you could potentially build in terms of things like generational wealth, and really building a solid future. When you have things crisscrossed all over the place, man, we know it's not the same, right? That people just don't get along the same, and of course they're not even all related, right? They're not all both blood on the same side. And it just showed me, right, that dealing with the wrong woman can literally destroy your life too, right? Because let's say you do have a kid, right, with a woman who maybe is not the best mother figure, right? What happens, right? Her actions affect the child directly, right? So you could have all these things that happen where she maybe is not having great habits, is not super healthy person. Then you're gonna give birth to a child. What about that child, right? Is that child gonna come out healthy? Are they gonna have birth defects, all these problems? You see even Krishan Rock, I believe, Blueface's girl, right, or ex, whatever it is, right? There was a situation where she had a kid, and then what happened? Right? They were saying that the kid has problems because she was drinking and smoking when she was pregnant, which is insane, right? And if you're getting value from this video, man, click the like button on this video. But you start to see that, man, men will literally do anything, right, to just get one off. And those men that can control their desire, right, that can control and look at something tempting but not have to act on it, that's what a real man is, right? A real man can delay gratification and understand that not every temptation needs to be acted on, right? And there's so much that you see in this world, right, that they tell you to have whatever, have multiple partners, do all this. And at the end of the day, you do whatever you want, but understand the consequences that come with your actions. That's the biggest thing, because sure, you can go ahead and talk to a ton of different women, but if by that time, man, you're taking up all that time talking to women, and a lot of dudes have not even put in the work in themselves to become, the best version, where they're just attracting these women, right? They're just going and chasing her, right? And if you work on yourself, right, and become the best version of yourself, what happens? The women come automatically, right? They see the type of lifestyle that you live, right? They see that you're staying in shape. You're doing all these things, right? You're staying well groomed, right? You having a nice fade on the beard, all these things, right? You attract the women, right? But as men go deeper into these bad habits, right, and the lust gets out of control, what happens, right? So you have in real life and artificial. So if you're talking about real life, right, if desperate men now, are paying to get it nowadays, right? And then you also have the other side with the digital side, which is out of control, of course, right? With the OF, right, the corn, all this stuff, and you start to see society, is the modern man, right? And just being an exceptional man. The bar, of course, is to be honest, there's some things that are lower than ever, right? Being in shape, right? And we're just talking about average. At the end of the day, man, you should not be aiming for average, right? Because anyone watching this, I know you're a dude who wants to improve your life and get better. But it's crazy. It's crazy, man, how one decision can literally destroy your entire life, right? However many years you're on this earth, right? They say probably the average is maybe around, I don't even know, 70, 75. If you're around there, if you're lucky enough, if you can get up there. So it means that you have to make these decisions wisely, and who you decide to have kids with is one of the biggest decisions you can make, right? And even sleep with at the end of the day. Because that even opens up another topic, right? Where, you have all of these partners, right? And even if you don't have all these partners, let's say you're watching the corn, right? Then you have performance issues, right? And then you're getting into this situation where you keep going further down, right? And then you can't perform. You're having trouble performing because, you're so used to the screens, right? And you get nervous in person, right? And at the end of the day, you reap what you sow. Whatever you do in the dark will come to light, right? And whether that's just you, actually getting exposed for whatever you're doing, or through the type of results that you get in your life, right? But it will come to fruition at the end of the day. And let's say then you're on the other hand, where you're a guy who's getting a lot of women, right? The risks that can come with that, you getting certain diseases, some that you may never be able to get rid of, right? And it happens, right? And it's crazy because I've seen it directly in my own, not my personal life, but people around me, where I've seen it, right? Where you make one decision and then boom, that's it, that's your life, it's over, because you let a lustful thought, right? You let this thought take captive in your mind and control you to go ahead and do that action, right? And because you were caught up and you didn't wrap up, right? You didn't do what you were supposed to do and stay safe. You made one decision that could cost your life, and honestly, you have so much to give in this life, right? If you're a dude watching this, right, you're ambitious, right? You want more in life. And the fact that one thing can define you, right? We have to start taking this a little bit more seriously, right? Because a lot of people are going to glorify, all of this about having a million different partners. But man, look at your life. Like, are you making the type of money you want to make? Are you, do you have the type of career that you want? Are you in shape at least, right? A lot of guys, to be honest, it's no, right? A lot of them, you're not even eating correctly, right? You can't even control what you take up with the fork and eat, and you trying to tell me you want to run around and chase tail and do all these things, man, you better lock in, because it only takes one problem, one slip up, and that's your life right there, right? And that's with all areas, right? Because even if you think, right, let's say you do get into a long-term situation, or you end up, married or something like that, man, you know how many dudes get divorced because, the dude either can't perform, right, is having performance issues, blood flow problems, all that, or on the other hand, he's caught, right, watching certain things, right, watching the adult content, right? It happens. And you have to understand that in today's society, right, women have a lot of options. Now, of course, things like kids make things, a little very complicated. But at the end of the day, women have a ton of options. Now, it's not always for long-term partners, but at the end of the day, they have an unlimited flow of attention. And as men, right, we have to be exceptional to get attention, right? You have to be in shape, be good looking, right? Know how to present yourself online, right? Instagram, all these, you got to know how to take pictures, right? You got to be able to dress, right? All these things where women, right, and their attraction, it's just born within them, where they don't have to do much, right? But men really have to be able to do that to separate yourself from the pack. Right, in this competition, at the end of the day, every dude, right, has desires, right, wants to conquer and do all these things. And if you can't control yourself, right, and your emotions, and be able to use lust, right, is fuel, because that's at the end of the day what you have to do. You have to use this. And if you ever retained, right, or gone on NoFap or SR, right, retention, you probably have felt what I'm describing before, where you get this energy, right? And it almost feels like it's in the palm of your hands. Like you can literally feel the energy within you. And whatever you have to get done, whether it's, you got to record a video, maybe you got to go work out, you got to, drink your water. And we do glass over here, glass bottles, no microplastics, whatever it is, you're just on go. I'm locked in. And there's only this one direction. I'm only focused on this, and I'm not worried about anything else. And that's the great thing. And it shows you the power of your seed, right? And your seed can make and create a life, right? You can bring a life into this world. And the average man of today, right, has devalued himself and his seed, right? Where women can play with you, right? Women can put a carrot in your face, and you're gonna do whatever, because you are so attracted to them, and you lose sight of what's really important in your life, right? So don't let any woman just play with you, right? Be a guy who is okay, right, with, all right, I'm gonna focus on myself, right? I'm gonna put the work in. And that doesn't mean not dating at all, right? Not talking to women, but it's making sure that you put that purpose in the type of work you need to do. You have to put that in, right? Me even recording this video, man, I'm living proof of it, right? Where I'm putting in the work, and we all go through it, right? We all go through heartbreak and all these things where it happens, right? It happens to the best of us. And, especially if you're a dude who has any type of performance issues, man, it happens, right? It happens to people. It's a lot more common than you think, but it's not about what happens to you. It's about how you respond. Right? And if you're a guy who wants to level up, right, who doesn't want to be average, right, is tired of, modern society just not, they don't want you to be a man anymore, right? They don't want you to stick out your chest and flex your muscles, right, and have a deep voice. They don't want you to do that anymore. They want you to be quiet, be silent, right, and just stay in your box, right? But this channel is for dudes who want to be extraordinary in what they do, and want to take everything to the next level, whether that's partnership, right, whether that's making money, fitness, but especially the dudes in terms of performance, man. So if you practice things like NoFap, semen retention, and you're having performance issues, man, this is the channel for you. But if you learned something new from this video and you gained some value, man, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click this next video on the screen, man. I'm telling you, it won't disappoint. You won't want to miss it.